Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today, just a quick video and some information on a latest vehicle coming as stock. This one is a Transporter T6.1. It's the 4Motion Kombi van, so these are very scarce now. It's a 2424 registration and it's just covered 2,800 miles. Fantastic colour combination, so it's in Indium Grey with the gloss black detailing. It's got the LVR front bumper splitter section and it's very high specification. So start from the front of the vehicle. So Highline model 204 DSG 4Motion, comes with very high specification as standard, front and rear park sensors, rear camera, adaptive cruise control. This one's had factory option of LED daytime running lights, headlights. Cornering fogs, they're all standard. As you can imagine, for this mileage, super condition. Gloss black mirror caps. 20-inch velour alloys, Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres. So the canopies painted red by the previous owner. It's got the privacy tint to the side loading doors, roof bars, front and rear mud flaps. It's got the trapeze black sidebars to match. The LVR tailgate spoiler, rear bumper protector, just walk around the outside first. As I say, super rare now. Low mileage 4Motion Kombi vans. The new Transporter's just been launched, but the 4Motions are not available straight away. And that one is a Ford produced vehicle with only a 150 PS 4Motion. As I say, this one's the 204 high output engine. Okay, start from the driver's cabin. So automatic headlights, wipers, they're all standard. Leather multifunction steering wheel. There we go, 2,783 miles. Expensive option, it's got the Discover Media factory navigation option, which gives you wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DSG gearbox, air conditioning standard, heated seats, twin side electric doors, and the customers had fitted this lovely bespoke, got the red stitch, perforated bolsters and a lovely Alcantara interior with a red stitch as well. Cab carpet, that's another factory option. Okay, so electric door, just pull the handle. It's got the 2+1 rear seat. Single seat always being on the near side for safety. Now we've fully carpet lined and sound deadened right through to the front doors on this vehicle. So it's all sound deadened. Show you in the rear. There we go, so fully carpet lined. It's got the Alcantara roof lining with the LED downlights. Oh, lovely trimmed. Rubber floor, that's standard in a Kombi. Easy to maintain, white, clean, etc. Also, it's got the LED downlights in the tailgate, so if you're loading on a night, really useful feature. Got privacy tint to the rear tailgate as well. Heated wash wipe, that's all standard on a Kombi. So electric near side door. So basically 2+1. This gives you easy access to the rear. So near side, you're getting in and out of the rear safest on the footpath. Now all seats in the rear are removable, so very practical if you want to just remove the single seat or the bench seat, depending what you're using the vehicle for. If you want longer items in the vehicle like a bike or a canoe, you can take the single seat out if you've only got 4 people in the vehicle. Show you from the passenger side. So driver passenger airbag, that's all standard. Parking sensors, camera, as I say. Upgrades are available, laser lamps, sports steering wheel, little options you can add to your vehicle. There we have it, Transporter T6.1 Highline 4Motion Kombi van, 204 PS, 24 registered, 2,783 miles only. Be live on our website very shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Full specification, plenty of photographs, all be on the website in the next 48 hours. If you require any further information or want to make an appointment to come and look at the vehicle, please contact myself, Chris, on 07888 989877. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.